Aerobics like 90s. Aerodance. Let's go. Make a pose. Push. And touch your torso. The other side. Push. Very good. 3 fast taps. Go. 3 fast lunge. March. Repeat. One more time. Good. Like old style, remember? One more time. 3 taps. Now, 2 knees with snaps and open. One more time. 3. Lunge. 2 knees. Open. Now arm, biceps. Up. Good. Snaps. Open. One more time, biceps. Opposite arm. Snaps. One more time. Now, at shoulders. What? Shake it. 3. Good. Lunge. Snaps. Shake it. One more time. Come forward and backward. Forward with the taps. Very good. Backward with the knees. 2 more times. Very good. You can do it. Last time. Very good. And now, Mambo Cha-Cha. Only one. And stop. Mark. 1 Mambo Cha-Cha. Come on. And open. Good. Now, to the lateral. And use the arms. What? Arms. Front, back, front, back. One more time. Mambo. Arm. Front, back. Are you ready to move on the space? Go. Move. And watch now. Very good. Go. Move. And come back with the hip. Yes, from the top. From the top. Come on. Lunge. Mix. Shake it. Mambo. Woo! Very good. Yes. One more time. Come forward. Backward. Mambo. Okay, second part again from the mambo. Go to diagonal and snap. Mark. Mambo. Diagonal. March. Watch now. We have to add a lunge with arms. March 2. Go up. Yes. Snaps. March 2. Up and down. One more time. Are you ready to turn with us? Watch. Turn. Lunge. Mambo. Woo! 2. Turn. Like beginning. Relax. Push. Touch your body. The other side. Push. Are you ready from the top? Come forward. Taps. Lunge. Go up. Shake it. Mambo. Very good. Snaps. Turn. From the top. Go up. Mambo. Very good. You got it. This is your last chance. Second part. Are you ready to the end?